Asking for consent is an important part of a happy and healthy sex life. Communication around consent should happen before and during a sexual encounter. People may feel unsafe or uncomfortable but won't voice it, and that is why consent should not be asked for once but multiple times while the sexual activities escalate. When you know what your partner wants and ensure that they are comfortable, sexual activities are more pleasurable and enjoyable for both parties. Some people think asking for consent is awkward, but we are here to illustrate some non-awkward ways for you to ask for consent. What feels good to you? Are you sure you're ready for this? How far do you want me to go? Do you want me to keep going? Do you want me to stop? Is there anything you want to try? Are you alright? Do you want to try something else? What are you into? If your partner is obviously not into what you're doing, it's best to speak up then and ask if they want to take it slow. Even after all our suggestions, you may still feel awkward when asking for consent, but it is still important to remember that the minor discomfort you feel while asking for consent can save someone from feeling violated or uncomfortable by you. Making sure your partner feels safe should be your number one priority before and during sexual activities. Remember, communication before and during any sexual interaction ensures that no one feels as though they are being violated and makes the experience better for everyone.